I hope you are ready for Jasmy. In today's video, we are definitely going to talk about Jasmy and the next price target I have. We're going to talk about this breakout, the RSI stochastic, all of it. But before we do that, I have to share some important information with you guys. Caleb and Brown, amazing brokerage that I've recently partnered with. I mean, these guys are great at communicating. They're just great at everything. And I want to break it down why I prefer them over Coinbase, over Robinhood, over Binance, over a lot of these exchanges that we use. First of all, guys, let's just look at their reviews. They have 5 stars out of 238 Google reviews. Okay. I mean, who the heck gets 5 stars, a perfect rating? Well, let me tell you a little bit about them. One, you can open an account for free. So make sure you go down below, click the link and open up your free account today. You don't have to deposit any money into it. Just open up your free account because you guys are going to want these people in your corner, especially as crypto rallies higher. Okay. Especially when we get the dips, they give you 24/7 personal broker service. Guys, when I signed up with them, I got an email right away from a broker who was very open and said, we can jump on a call, we can jump on a Zoom. I mean, no one else does that. Coinbase has never done that. Binance has never done that. Okay. Another thing that I want to talk to you guys about, because I mean, that's a sell in itself, just having someone like this professional in your corner, but you can buy, sell, and swap. And guys, there's no joining fees. It's safe and secure. And also for your higher risk cryptos out there, guys, what they can do, they have experienced traders on their platform. They can use a technique called trade slicing, where large transactions are actually broken down into smaller parts, right? To minimize slippage and ensure more of a favorable outcome for you guys. So what does Coinbase do? Well, Coinbase actually just sells you it at a higher, or lets you buy it priced a lot higher, right? So when you buy Bitcoin and you buy all of your cryptos, you're actually not buying it for the price they give you. With Caleb and Brown, you actually buy it for the price you see. And also you can do like dollar cost averaging type of trades. So you can set up a buy limit and a sell limit, and they'll just execute that trade at that exact price that you want to buy or sell. So guys, you could trade over 300 different crypto assets, which is absolutely amazing. Also, brokerages like Coinbase, they rely on internal liquidity, right? So with Caleb and Brown, they have access to various liquidity pools and OTC desks. So they could basically secure the best possible rate for the customer, even in lower liquidity situations. So even though Coinbase sounds great, when you break it all down with the hidden fees that Coinbase actually has and having no support whatsoever, I mean, you got to choose what's best for you. So again, I would highly recommend you click the links out down below. They give you a personal broker and it's absolutely amazing. Here's some reviews on Trustpilot as well. If you're thinking about staying in crypto for the long run, and I mean for the next 1 to 3 years, 3+ years, 10+ years, if you think crypto is here to stay, I think these guys are definitely here to stay. They have over 29,000 clients, and you can just see the stats right here and why I do believe you want these guys in your corner, guys. So make sure you check out the links out down below. Set up your free account. If you want to throw in a couple hundred, couple $1,000s, definitely do that. It's going to only benefit you as you gain more with your crypto journey. Last thing, guys, if you have any old IRAs, you can actually roll those over into Caleb and Brown. So something to think about. Back to Jasmy, because this is going to be absolutely massive. And then we're going to get into Bitcoin and then XRP, guys. Look at this. So we've had this descending trend line. Let me actually blow this up for you. We've had this descending trend line for quite some time. This topped out on June 24th, okay, at 4.4. And now we just are in a downtrend. We rejected this area. We bottomed here. And now we're making higher lows and higher highs, guys. So this is actually really good. We just broke out. We had a daily candle close as of yesterday. You saw my video this morning. Again, follow me on X. I share a lot of information like this, but if you saw my video this morning, this, I would have told you that we were waiting for the breakout. We got the daily candle close, and now we're moving much higher. The next area I'd be looking for is the 382 level, guys, which is 2.6. And then the 50 actually is on a huge stack of volume, and it's right at 3 cents. Okay, so we're definitely going to see some resistance on the way up. But the good news is I think the uptrend is beginning. You could see we are in an uptrend. Once we break this, the 2, 3, 2, 4 level, you see some wicks right here. This is going to be short-term resistance. But once we close a candle above this area, and especially at 2.5, I think we're going to rally up here to 2.7-ish. Okay. So again, the RSI, the stochastic, is obviously high point. Looks like it's curling over. This could stay high for a little bit like it has over here. You could see actually before, guys, which is interesting. When the RSI started to rally and we got as high as 64, we were right here. Okay, we were right here, and the stochastic was also chopping around up here. So we were on May 25th, we were right here. Okay, stochastic was high. Stochastic is high. The RSI was at the same point it is today. And then what happened? On May 25th, we were trading at 2.1. Jasmy went on a massive rally. So just because the stochastic is high does not mean it's time to sell right now. Okay. This is a daily time frame, by the way. I would be looking more at the weekly to determine if it's time to get out. But as of right now, the RSI is making higher highs. Okay. No negative divergence whatsoever on a daily time frame. This is looking very good. Just being my own opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You always got to do what's best for you at the end of the day and your family. Now, let's look at Bitcoin real quick. And Bitcoin on a weekly, I like to think of it like this. We have recently broken out of these trend lines. You can see every time this happens, we go on a massive run. Every time this happens, massive run. Let me make this bigger for you. All right, and then we broke out of it here. What's next? Is a massive run coming? Well, you could feel more confident that a massive run is on its way for Bitcoin once we close above these 3 trend lines. So let's say we do it this week, okay? If we can close above 68,000, 68 and some change, I would feel really good that the uptrend is now here for Bitcoin. These are all positive signs. The RSI, the stochastic pointing up, us actually testing this area, us above the 21 EMA. Every indicator looks very bullish for Bitcoin right now. But if you want to be more confident, then you can wait till we get some candle closes above this resistance area, because you can see, guys, every time we retest it, we reject. We retest it, we reject. Now, we have not retested it yet. We got close, but not quite. So are we going to test this area around 66 to 68,000? And are we going to reject again? Well, time will tell. So that's why you might want to wait. If you're on the sidelines right now, you might want to wait. Totally up to you. I'm pretty much all in on crypto. And I will be trading it as we make higher highs for Bitcoin and Jasmy and XRP, of course, and all the others that I list. But as of right now, guys, this is looking pretty solid to me. And then finishing up with XRP, you can see we're trading at 58. This thing is lagging, and it's frustrating because XRP is my biggest bag. And right now, I mean, this is a good sign. Stochastic is pointing up. We're about to break this resistance, guys. You can see we've tested this so many times for weeks now. This is, I mean, we first tested this area July 15th, and all these wicks were just getting rejected. But here's the positive thing. We're above the 21 EMA, which is great. We're about to break this resistance, and I think we'll be at $1 very soon for XRP. Now, will I trade it? Probably. And I'll be alerting you guys on some areas that I think would be good to get out. This is a weekly time frame. Obviously, the RSI is not oversold. We're above 55, which is a great sign. XRP recently has gotten as high as 73, and then before it's gotten as high as 85. So I think the run is about to begin. It's only a matter of time. You got to be very aware of what's going on with interest rates, what's going on with the presidential elections for the US, what's going on with the FTX scam, basically, and they're sending more money out to all of its customers. You got to be aware with baby boomer money, with Bitcoin ETFs, what has been approved, where is this space actually heading, guys? And I think crypto is a huge part of our future. And that's why I highly recommend Caleb and Brown to be your number one broker when it comes to cryptocurrency. Because even if you have questions, guys, you get a free broker. Like they're going to answer your questions, any questions you have, 24/7 personal assistance. No other brokerage company offers that. So again, I would highly recommend you click the links out down below, join for free, talk to your broker, kind of see how it works and see if it's a good strategy for you over the next 5 to 10 years. With that, guys, I hope you have a great day. Drop a like, of course, and we'll see you on the next one.